Sanibonani bafethu abalandeli bami, my supporters, my followers, ninjani. So ngithanda bafethu ukubonga indlela lenisapota ngayo bafethu. Ngiyabonga bafethu. Thank you so much. Keep it up bafethu. And ngicela ukuthi bafethu uma ningibona ngi-live ni-double check the screen bafethu. And then bafethu ngithanda ukukhuluma ngale video lesoloko i-trend bafethu ku-YouTube naku-TikTok. Bafethu abantu bazibuza bathu bani loyo bafethu yimi lengilapha la eKasi eTembisa Gauteng province. I am the only one man who doing ama-video athusako, who doing ama-scary video. You will see someone will try to do it, and that person will come on the back. And then, yes, you can try to do it, but if you not open the speed, because no one has speed, you cannot do it. You don't have to usabe abantu funa ungasabi abantu ungabe imali emahloni. And then when people, because of, I know abantu bakhuluma izinto different, izinto ezingafani, amanye bazosho lokho, amanye basho lokho, babuza hey seyinto ekhulu ebhemawo nabanye uphi ababhemi nyawuphi besebenza so njengawo yini nalolo. Guys, I'm telling you, this will go big and bigger. You're gonna be a billionaire because of this. I'm telling you, just be consistent of doing it. Ungasithola one day so actor kuma wrong turn. Ungasithola one day so actor kuma scary move like a move like Lasawisawi just because of you started learn and I'm just trying to show these upcoming youth with money. You can make money just like boom. Just sit down and use your mind to make money. Not when you always think I'm a negativity. You're always thinking about Kurobaband. You always think about drugs. You always think about doing all those bad things, guys. We don't have to do that. Sit down, think that how can you make money easily. Thank you.